For over 65 years, Jegs has been the source for aftermarket and performance speed parts. We're excited to announce our next chapter, introducing Jegs brand line of restoration parts for American muscle cars and trucks. Jegs restoration parts are focused on the core areas to make your muscle car or truck new again. And while we might be new to the restoration game, our core values of supporting our customers and providing excellent parts and accessories has remained the same since 1960. Our sheet metal product line includes doors, hoods, fenders and quarter panels for muscle cars and classic trucks alike. Stamped from the highest quality steel, our sheet metal components have an OE fit and finish. Jegs offers a full line of OE-style replacement fuel tanks, including installation hardware, as well as everything from AN fittings to hose to regulators and filters. Jegs interior restoration components consist of everything from carpet kits to new seat foam to sun visors, door panels, dash pad kits, everything you need to repair that wore-out interior. Our exterior line of restoration products includes everything from bright work and trim, grills, bumpers, taillight lenses, headlight bezels, all the exterior components and accessories that you need to make that car like new again. All of these parts are made to meet or exceed OE specifications. Jegs only uses the best available materials to ensure an OE appearance, fit, and finish. What makes Jegs unique is that we have one of the largest on-hand inventory levels in the industry. We know these parts are hard to find. We are adding new parts weekly, so be sure to always come back and browse our latest new products. So give us a call with your restoration needs and check out all our parts at jegs.com.
Jegs.